Okay, my first graders, today we're working on page 226. It's the mid-chapter checkpoint. Okay, so page 226, mid-chapter checkpoint. Pause and find that page. When you're ready, hit play. All right, so if you're hitting play, you're ready. On this page, we're just doing some practice of what we've learned so far. So the first one is we're deciding how to subtract, okay? So they want us to count back. So we've been practicing for counting back using our number line, okay? So you need your number line, or you want to ask somebody to make you a new number line, okay? So if you don't have a number line, pause, get a number line, and then hit play again. All right, if you're watching, you have your number line ready. So we need to count back. 7 minus 1. So I'm going to find 7, my big number. Start with my big number. I count back 1 hop because I'm taking away 1 or going back 1. 1 hop. Where do I land? 6. Okay. Here's our minus sign, minus problem, but hey, look, our answer is on the other side, so it's not a big deal. We just kind of look at it like this. 7 minus 2. So I start at what number? Start at my big number 7, and how many hops back am I going to take? 2. So let's put our finger on 7. Okay. Minus 2, so we're going to take 2 hops back. 1, 2. Where do we land? 5. Okay, I'm going to do one more together, and then you're going to do the rest, okay? 12 minus 3. I'm going to find 12, my starting number, my big number, minus 3. So I'm going to take 3 hops back. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Where do you land? 9. So 12 minus 3 is 9. So boys and girls, you are going to do the rest of these minus problems for practice, okay? Rest of these minus problems. Pause. When you're ready, hit the play button. All right, if you're hitting play, it's because you're ready to check your work. Okay, so we had 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 6 minus 2. Well, 6 minus 2 equals 4. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 equals 5. 11 minus 3. Oh, remember our answer goes over here on this one. 11 minus 3. Well, 11 minus 3 equals 8. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Go ahead and make sure that you have your answers in, that you have them correct. If you don't, you want to pause and try your problem again. Right. Now let's look down here. Okay, so if you're watching down here, that means you finished this, you checked your work. It says, we don't have cubes to add and to subtract. So let's look at our 2 problems. So you have 11 minus something equals minus 5 equals question. Look at these 2 problems. Think. What one do you think you should solve first? What one looks like the normal problem? Yes, 11 minus 5. That's the easier one for us to solve. So we can use our number line to solve that. Start at 11. How many hops back? 5 hops back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where do we land? 6. 11 minus 5 equals 6. So now that we solved this, we can figure out what's that missing number. Well, if 11 minus 5 equals 6, 5 plus what equals 11? We used our 11, 5, right? When we add the 2 small numbers. 5 plus 6. So our answer goes in there. Now you're going to try this one, 14 minus 7. Think, which one is the easier one to solve? Okay, I want you to pause the video. You're going to work on filling this in. All right, if you're hitting play, it's because you're ready to check your work. 14 minus 7. Well, you should have had 7. So 14 minus 7 equals 7. 7 plus what equals 14? 7 plus 7 equals 14. We add our two small numbers to get our big number. If you need to pause and fix or try again, you can do that. Number 11, write a subtraction sentence you can solve by using 3 plus 9 equals 12. All right, so now we're thinking, what minus problem could you make? When we do our minus problem, we start with what number? A small number to start with or a big number? The big number. So we'll look through which one's our big number. 12. So we start with 12. We take away a small number. Which small number could we take away? Yeah, we could take 3 away. Equals, well, 12 minus 3. What's our next number? 9. All right, let's think about what other minus problem we could make. I know there's no blank for that, but we'll do it down here. So think, when we do a minus problem, we always have to start with the big number. So 12. We took 3 away. What's the other small number we could take away? 9. 12 minus 9 equals 12 minus 9. What's the number that we have left? 3. So either one of these problems would work. 12 minus 3 equals 9, or 12 minus 9 equals 3. We're using these same numbers, but we know for minus, start with the biggest number. All right, boys and girls, if you need to fix anything, go ahead, and then you have a quiz to take.